All right, photographers, let's talk about how to get this final photo ready for print. All right, so we're going to print this big. It's going to be a specific size. It's going to be 16 by 20 inches, which makes it a aspect ratio of 5 by 4. So there are a few final steps that you want to be doing to get that ready for that. All right, so after you're doing whatever editing that you might be doing in Photoshop or Lightroom, here we are in Lightroom. I'm going to bring the exposure down just a little bit so we get more dramatic lighting on the student's face. And now I'm going to go over to the crop panel here on the right because I want to change the crop to the aspect ratio of 5 by 4. Okay, so 5 by 4 is the aspect ratio that we need for this project. So once it's 5 by 4, I can now move that new rectangle around, get it just so, line it up just the way that I want it, and double click and apply that. And so now this is the 5 by 4 aspect ratio that we need. Now, the next step is to move this into Photoshop because I needed a very specific size. And so we're going to go over to Photoshop to accomplish that. So I'm going to control click or right click on the photo itself and click on edit in Photoshop. So now the same image here has been added to Photoshop, and we're going to go right up to the image menu at the top of the screen, go to image size, and I'm going to change the resolution and bump it up to 300. All right, yours might be slightly lower or higher. 300 pixels per inch is what you're looking for. And then I'm going to be doing a 16 by 20. So my height will be 16 in this case by 20 inches. Don't worry if it gives this like incremental amount. It is essentially 20 by 16 inches. And then I hit OK. All right. Now this photo is ready to go. All right. So now I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go Save a Copy. I want to change the format to JPEG because that's what I need. Okay. And you're gonna name it with your last name and rule breaker. Okay, save that as JPEG, drop that into my folder, make sure that it is a totally large file, and you're good to go. Hit OK, and that's how we're gonna get our shot.